Good day and welcome to sales. Here we've got a beautiful 2008 GMC gas with a pony motor. This takes a regular driver's license drive, the full 60-foot working height. Look at that boom going up in here. Here's your chance to look up the truck and down the truck all the way around. This is the pistol grip control on here. Beautiful truck here. We sandblasted, primed, and painted. Showed it all around. Now watch that baby go. I'm going to zip right up here and take a look, show you all the way around here. I'm going to zip under here. It's a little bit rainy today here in Indiana. Thank you again for watching the video. Give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. I tell you what, this is an awesome truck. It's ready to go. It's ready to make money today. We had it's standing tall and ready to go. Now, visit our website at www.99trucks.net. Beautiful rubber back here. Got your ladder. Kennel hook back here. Vented. Nice and clean inside. Nice clean truck. Thank you again for watching the video. Give me a call on my cell phone again at 260-760-5052. That's 260-760-5052. I'm going to zip open the hood here while we get everything buttoned up here, and we're going to take her for a little ride. Take a look under the hood here. I'm going to go ahead and start the engine. Let's put the outriggers up. Yep. That beautiful motor purring right here. Zip around to this side. Beautiful under the hood. Thanks again for watching the video. Watch us raise these outriggers right up. I'm going to go ahead and close the hood back down. Reupholstered seats on the inside. All right, and here we go. It's one thing for me to tell you and one thing for me to show you. I want to thank you again for watching the video. This is an awesome truck here. Beautiful and ready to go. She runs good, operates good. Nice and quiet, lots of power. Give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. I'll look forward to hearing from you. This is a money-making machine. You're going to be a champion in this truck. People are going to be impressed when you pull in. This thing, for a gasoline, 8.1 liter gasoline engine with the Kubota gasoline pony motor, they both draw off the same tank. Thank you again for watching the video. We have the finest forestry trucks here in Northeast Indiana, and we would love to make a deal with you. If this one isn't the one for you, give me a call. We have other trucks. We'd love to listen to exactly what you want and give it to you. So thank you so much for watching our video today. If you'd like to see any other clips or interested in any other thing, we'd be glad to do it. This just takes a regular driver's license to drive, and it's sandblasted and primed and painted and ready to go. Thanks again for watching the video.